Hello, I'm Michael Fortune, and I'm here at the Marc School of Woodworking in Franklin, Indiana. And we are doing a class on a chair I've designed that's referred to as the Comfy Garden Chair class. Now, there was an article, actually two articles in Fine Woodworking magazine a few years ago on fabricating this chair. Here's the magazine cover for one of those, one of the articles. So the one we're looking at here is in a subspecies of mahogany, but the one we're doing this week is in cherry. So we've got a full class here, and it is a busy 7-day class because we're not only doing the chair, we're also doing the ottoman as well. So lots of woodworking skills, often new skills are covered in this class. As you can see, there's close to no right angles anywhere in this chair. And woodworking at right angles is, I'm going to say, maybe a little easier than working with things that are not square and are quite curved. So during this class, we've learned how to build forms, we've learned how to laminate curves, dry laminate over top of a form, and we're also learning how to use a vacuum bag to create the curved back, the seats, and the top of the ottoman. So it's sort of an action-packed and a learning intensive workshop. And this here in Indiana at the Marc School, I'm here 5 or 6 times a year, and the next class is called the oval table class. And that is, I believe, sort of the middle week or middle to third week of August of this year. And then I'm back again in October doing a class on finishing a chair that we have done a class on it several times in the past. And with this chair here, if I'm not mistaken, we've done at least 4 classes on the fabrication on building this chair. If you're interested in taking classes either with me or an incredible range of other classes and different instructors, check out the link in the image below.